I thought before getting into this new refresh with my channel and everything that we take a little trip down memory lane. And I don't know if you guys remember, but I wanted to really just tell you the story of how all this started. How did the van journey begin? Let's see, it's 2019. Oh man, this started, what, 5-6 years ago? Man, has it really been that long? I started uploading YouTube videos 3 years ago, so couldn't have been much longer after. So this was 2017. No, it was at the end of 2016. Anyways, it doesn't matter what the exact date is. You know, this van represents so much more than just like, you know, a house to me or a place to live when it comes to all of that. You know, I really got into this before the whole van life movement started, before everything. I look at this way as, you know, adaptation and really circling your life around doing what you love. Like for me, nature has been a huge part about why I, you know, am who I am. It's what I do. I'm traveling all the way up into Alaska. I've been through Canada a bunch of times. I've been all over the United States of America. I just got back from living in Hawaii, right, for over 3 months there. It's something that, you know, I'm just really curious about nature, and I want to put myself in those places that really awe me and really give me that, you know, make me feel alive. You know what I'm saying? It's something that I've always really, you know, followed that path of my heart, and that's really what I want to, you know, this channel to be all about. Like authenticity is what it comes down to. When I think about myself and my lifestyle, and now with my beautiful family, traveling and living in this amazing vehicle that I've worked so hard on, right? In the beginning, this started out as just a way for me to not pay rent. I mean, it's just that simple. And slowly I started to see myself spend more time in nature rather, you know, than in the city, and my happiness levels increased. Like, we all can't deny the facts that come down to just being more in tune with nature and having that sense of peace and calm, right? You just feel so whole. And even starting a fire at night and being in that warm, cozy space, having this very simplistic shelter right here that is honestly like more like glamping. It's really like luxury, you know, camping in my opinion. It's something that I have running water in here. There is a complete, you know, system that is completely off grid to cook. I don't even use propane. It's fully electric, and I'm powering everything from the sun by a couple solar panels on top of the roof. So at the end of the day, I feel so you know, like in tune with nature. I feel more of a more harmonious state of life when I'm living in the van, and that's what I want to represent as a whole. And it's something that, you know, like I said, it makes me think about more than just living, you know, like having a house or having a roof over your head. This represents freedom to me. It represents the ability to go anywhere, do anything that I want to do. And it represents a lifestyle that puts nature above everything else, right? Because at the end of the day, that's what we are. We are a part of nature. We are a part of this earth, and we need to start acting like it. We need to start acting like the spirit soul that we are. You know, we are so much more than all of these things that are on the surface, right? And including myself, I've gotten caught up in like just paying the rent and paying bills and getting stuck in the rat race and all of those things. It's like, I don't want to do that. You know, I don't ever want to like grow old. I want to keep that childlike energy and, you know, keep representing the fun, heart-centered way of life rather than letting the mind just rule the game. You know, I'm so thankful for my path of yoga and meditation. This gives me more opportunities to meditate here, you know, inside the van, to go out into nature and commune with nature. This is where a lot of self-discovery has happened for myself, and just my general way of being, of who I am, represents nature just as a whole. So I want to first just say thank you everybody for being here. This has been really fun. I'm happy to travel more in the van, happy to get, you know, in tune with my roots again and get out to all of this. It's been so fun. I mean, I'm all about just going for it 100%. So this van is just perfect. It has everything that I need. We worked so hard to get this to where it was today. It's been over 4 years of just me really plugging away, doing small upgrades here and there, and this thing, I mean, it's completely ready to go as of now, and I'm just really excited to have more adventures. So stick around. This is going to be awesome. We're going to take you out for some adventures, and we're doing a lot more you know, videos when it comes to what I eat, and it sounds like you guys want to see more you know, van life videos and stuff. So it's going to be really fun. I'm going to weave in a lot of educational content and really just make it uplifting, and it's going to be fun. So thank you all for being here. Until next time, much love.